Beware of all these scams that are trying to drain all of the money out of your bank account. We're taking a different course today and we're going to talk about scams. That's right, I said scams because everywhere you look, there is a scam designed to take your money. It could be a bank account scam, it could be a bank scam, an ATM scam, a credit repair scam, a cell phone scam, a texting scam. Everywhere we turn around, there's even scams on social media. There's scams on TikTok, there's scams on Facebook, there's scams on Instagram. So how do you know how to keep yourself safe and who to trust? And I honestly, wholeheartedly believe that YouTube is one of the safest platforms to try to keep you away from scams. But when you look at places like Facebook as an example, I say that Facebook is like the cesspool of hate. But the crazy part about it is it has so many scams out there that Facebook/Meta is offering literal like business pages like myself that if I pay them $400 a month, they're gonna protect my business and my information and my proprietary trademarked items. Why the hell should I pay them if they should be doing it already? The credit repair space is one of the biggest and worst examples because these scammers know that people are desperate to fix their credit because without good credit, you can't get into a decent apartment. You can't get a car loan. You can't get a credit card to travel. You can't use credit. So a lot of people are desperate in the need to try to fix their credit as fast as they possibly can. So we'll talk about credit repair scams and then we'll move into bank scams also. So stick with me here. Rule number one, if you're ever going to do any type of credit repair, you're not supposed to talk to anybody across state lines about credit repair over the phone. There is something that is called the TSR rule, the Telecommunications Sales Rules Act that was developed by the Federal Trade Commission. And it clearly states that a TSR violation, if I can say that right, is when there is a failure to provide any required information truthfully and in clear and conspicuous manner before the consumer pays for the goods or services offered. So there's a reason why they don't want you to talk to somebody over the phone about credit repair because they're going to lie and deceive you over the phone about the product and the services they may offer you when you should automatically see the agreement firsthand before you even talk to this person or this entity or this company about credit repair. But hold up, it doesn't just stop there because each deceptive telemarketing act or practice that violates the TSR and subjects a seller or telemarket to a civil penalty of $51,000 for each violation. But it doesn't just stop there because there is another law that protects consumers even more. It's called the Credit Repairs Organizations Act. You're not supposed to take advanced fees for credit repair services. Now, before you come into the comments, this does not apply to any DIY credit repair services because you are not paying for credit repair, you're paying for credit monitoring. Okay, so it's completely different here. If you're looking to get credit repair from a company, they're not supposed to take advanced fees. So when you see all these credit repair companies out there that are trying to sell you credit repair for $1,000, $2,000, even $4,000, that's just an automatic red flag that, yo, whoa, this is kind of crazy. $4,000 to fix some credit? I mean, how can you guarantee that? Oh, they can't because any type of guarantee is illegal in credit repair per CROA also. But hold up. I don't want everyone to think that I'm trying to bully or pick on the credit repair industry because that's what they say when I show up to these events. You're like, why are you so negative about credit repair, Mike? I'm not negative about credit repair. I'm negative about the scammers. Are you a scammer? You shouldn't be upset or scared about what I'm saying because you should be doing everything legal, right? But the unfortunate part that you have to be aware of also, it's not just the credit repair companies you have to worry about. It's the scammers on social media that are duplicating and cloning creators and YouTubers and TikTokers and Facebookers and Instagrammers pages to deceive you into believing that, hey, yo, it's me, Mike the Credit Guy. What's up, bro? Can I help you with your credit? And the unfortunate truth is common sense isn't so common because you should understand that I'm not sitting around sending people DMs and messages like, hey, yo, what's up, bro? You need help with your credit? Yo, shoot me an email. No, I'm not. I don't have the capacity or the time to be sitting around on social media sending out DMs and messages telling you to email me at specific emails. No. Here's the crazy part. It's not just me. me. It's all of these other YouTubers, all of these other Instagrammers, Facebookers, and TikTokers that their pages are being cloned. So then what happens is you think that it's the actual person you're talking to, but it's not. You're not talking to Mike the credit guy. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm not just magically DMing messages to people and sending you random emails like, yo, what's up, bro? You need help with your credit? I'm busy making content trying to teach you not to fall for all these tricks. So if you ever see anybody in the comments section, or you see someone send you a DM on any other platform, say, yo, this is Mike the credit guy, bro, you need help? No, it's not me. It's not me. Do I have to say it again? It's not me. Same thing goes with some of your favorite creators, like Jordan the Stallion. Jordan the Stallion isn't sitting around sending you random DMs. Or my favorite, Graham Stephan isn't sitting around like, yo, let me send this guy a message, something we can help him invest money on. No, nobody's sending you these random messages. So when you see them, report them and block them. As a great example, this page right here, my Mike the Credit Guy on YouTube, has a little check mark right next to my name that shows that I am a verified account, and this is actually my account. This is me actually talking to you in the comments section. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't pay attention to that. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created, and specifically to Wesley, Wesley's credit score went up over 226 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. And also Marcus's credit score went up 337 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget Richard's credit score went up 446 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anybody that needs to fix their credit. Last part's the most important. But to switch gears here, one of the biggest scams that we're seeing right now currently is a lot of scammers are literally text messaging people randomly and saying, hey, there's an issue with your bank account. Call us immediately. And they actually put a link in there that will link them directly to that phone number that you're going to call. They get you on a phone call, get you to verify your name, your social, your date of birth. They say, hey, we're having issues logging into your account. Can you please verify your information? And all of a sudden, you know, you just logged into your account and they wiped away all your money. You should never, ever believe any type of text message that tells you, hey, there's an issue with your bank account. Don't click that link. Pick up your phone and call your bank directly. Now, there's scams literally where the scammer will call you and it will say Bank of America or Chase Bank. And you're like, oh my God, why is the bank calling me? When in fact, it's not the bank, it's a scammer. Now, the reason why I also say that common sense isn't so common, because even the smartest of smart people can get scammed. An example, I got scammed. I got scammed last year when I tried to purchase a puppy over the internet. Website was legit. All the reviews were legit. I submitted payment through a secure form. And then guess what? I was scammed. This was the most intricate scam I have ever seen. And I literally reported the website to Google. And of course, they haven't got back to me yet. And of course, I'm out $3,000 for a dog that I thought I was gonna get, but I never got. And it was literally one of the most highly orchestrated scams I've ever seen. And one of the craziest scams out there is the ATM/debit card scam, where you can walk up and tap your actual credit card on the machine. Chase Bank has an issue with this. Or you actually put your debit card into a card reader, and then there's an actual scanner that was sat on top of the card reader. Anytime you go to an ATM or you go to actually put your card into somewhere, wiggle the hell out of the thing until you're almost gonna break it to make sure that it's actually legit, because these machines are so well made, you can't even tell, because we're just blind to these things, to be honest with you. I found an actual debit card scanner at a gas station. I should have recorded the entire thing, but I was just in shock because I literally wiggled it and it fell, and I was like, oh my God, this is really real. I actually saw one of these. This is before I had my glasses that record everything, because if not, I would have recorded it. But I walked into the gas station. It was a TA gas station. And I took it up to the front and I said, hey, can I please speak to the store manager? Because there's something serious going on here. They got the store manager and he was shocked. He was like, we should be inspecting these things. I'm so sorry. I was like, listen, I literally checked it before I put my card in, but how many people did not? So in the day and age when scams are on the rise, you need to do everything to protect your information. Don't be talking to people that you don't know or assuming that it's like this big creator, this big YouTuber, this TikToker, this Instagrammer, this Facebooker. No, it's most likely not. We are set to go into one of the biggest holidays, and I want you to be aware of all these scams to protect yourself and keep your money safe and protect your debit cards, because I know a lot of people don't use credit cards all the time. I get it. But using your debit card puts you at huge risk. If they get your debit card information, you've gave them the keys to your castle. You won't be able to make your rent payment, your mortgage payment, your car payment once they lock up those debit cards and they have to issue you another one. Or they just lock up the entire account and don't give you access to your account until the investigation is over with. And then your entire account's locked out and you have no money to pay any of your bills. Because I don't have 100% proof yet to prove this, but I have a bad feeling that a lot of these banks are using AI technology to scan any of these disputes, scan any of these issues that they're having with bank accounts, and they're just shutting bank accounts based on how the algorithm is designed to protect the bank. I don't believe it's designed to protect the actual consumer or the actual member of the credit union. It's designed to protect the bank from any type of fraud. We've got Bank of America, Chase Bank, Navy Federal, and other credit unions and banks that are just shutting people's accounts down because they saw some irregular activity that was based solely on the AI that's working in the background. Because if you saw the story that I covered about Navy Federal is using AI to record your conversations when you call into Navy Federal. They don't disclose that, but they technically disclose that because they say this call may be recorded for quality assurance, but they're not telling you that a third-party AI system is recording and storing that database somewhere else. So if Navy Federal is caught using it, how many other banks are also using it? So please protect your information, protect your debit cards, your credit cards. All of that information is very vital to you, and protect your identity. Keep your credit reports frozen until the moment when you are going to apply for something, because you don't need your credit. Why are you just gonna leave it open? You don't walk around holding your wallet open so everyone can reach into it, right? So why would you leave your credit reports open for everyone to see and access them whenever they want to? I hope that you truly take everything I said to heart and you really apply it, because I hate to see any of my community being taken advantage of, whether it's me or it's other YouTubers or other TikTokers, whoever it may be. I hate to see this happen to anybody that follows us or is subscribed to us, because that's not what we want. So I want you to always stay protected at all times. Only use any of the links that we post in our videos or in our bios. Those are our safe, secure links, or on our websites. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on how not to get scammed in America in 2024, rolling into 2025, how to keep yourself safe. And make sure that you watch this next video, because it is about another credit union that you may want to learn about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.